how to go live on Instagram. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can go live on Instagram. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the account you want to go live from. Before we start, there are a few quick requirements you should check. Your account needs to be public, and you should also make sure there aren't any restrictions on your account that would stop you from going live. To check this, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Then tap the three lines at the top right. Then scroll down and tap Account Privacy. Make sure the private account option is turned off so your account is public. While you're in Settings, you can also scroll down and tap Account Status to see if there are any violations or restrictions that might prevent you from using live features. If you're using a teen account, live streaming might be turned off by default. In that case, a parent or guardian may need to enable it from the supervision settings. Also, Instagram sometimes requires you to have at least 1,000 followers to access certain live features, so keep that in mind if you don't see the option yet. Once everything looks good, head back to the Instagram home screen. Tap the plus icon at the top of the screen, or you can swipe right from the home feed to open the camera. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see different options like Post, Story, Reel, and Live. Swipe across until you reach Live. Before you go live, you can add a title to your live stream so viewers know what it's about. You can also adjust settings like who can join your live or whether you want to practice first. When you're ready, tap the Go Live button and Instagram will start connecting. After a few seconds, you'll be live and your followers will get notified. When you're finished, tap the End button at the top and confirm. You'll then have the option to share the replay, download the video, or delete it. And that's how you can go live on Instagram and connect with your audience in real time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.